In this video, we'll talk about the top 3 AI tools no one told you about. And if you're a student, you need to make sure that you take this seriously. And even if you're not a student and you would be carrying out some academic work or some research, you should make sure that you pay attention to this video. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and then make sure you turn your notification on so that when we drop a video, you will get access to it, because over here we don't just drop videos about AI tools. Yes, we go beyond that. We talk about scholarships and we also talk about helpful skills that can help you win scholarships and save your life once in a while. Anyways, so let's talk about the top 3 AI tools no one told you about. Stay tight. The first AI tool we will talk about is Perplexity AI. Perplexity AI is a search-focused AI that provides accurate cited answers, making it ideal for research-heavy student tasks with a focus on reliability. Now, these are some of the things Perplexity AI can do, or at best is good for. First of all, it can help in searching for informative content. It will deliver detailed explanations with sources, helping you grasp taught concepts through verified info. If you want to use it for assignments and homework, it is one of the best tools you can use for that, because it answers queries with step-by-step breakdowns and references for subjects like math or literature. It can also help in your essay writing, where it will suggest phrases, structures, and citations to build strong arguments without plagiarism risks. It can also help in your research work, where it performs deep dives into topics, summarizing papers and providing links to primary sources. It can also help with your project work and deep search, where you can explore niche details, compile comprehensive reports, and suggest follow-up questions for thorough analysis. And the biggest benefit of Perplexity AI is you always get cites for the sources. This improves credibility. And you can also get free unlimited searches. Also, you can get a sped up procedure. So this leads to well-supported work and higher grades. And it encourages critical thinking by showing how answers are derived. To get access to the Perplexity app on App Store or Google, simply search for Perplexity on Google Store by typing PERPLEXITY and simply click search. Then you would get a list of apps with the similar name Perplexity, and make sure you identify an app with the logo that looks just like what you can see on the screen and simply click install. Once it's installed, you can click open to set your account. The next app is Grok AI. Grok AI was built by XAI, and it's a witty and insightful AI assistant designed to provide helpful, truthful answers with a touch of humor, making it great for curious students exploring complex ideas. Now, these are some of the things it can do. It can deliver in-depth explanations on any topic, drawing from real-time knowledge and reasoning to clarify lecture concepts or textbook material. You can use it for your assignments and homework, where it can offer a step-by-step guidance on problems in math, science, coding, or even humanities. And it can also generate practice quizzes or code snippets. You can also use it to brainstorm essay topics, outline structures, refine arguments, and suggest improvements for clarity, originality, and engagement. You can also conduct deep searches on subjects, summarizing findings and providing balanced perspective on controversial topics. Also, you can use it for your project work and deep search, where it will assist you in project planning with timelines, detailed data gathering, and creative problem solving for innovative ideas. The biggest benefit is that it's also free to access with no strict limitations, and it encourages thinking with honest, unsubstantiated claim avoidance. And it also helps integrate real-time info for current events, whereas it enhances learning by making sessions fun and interactive, reducing study fatigue and improving retention. To get access to the Grok AI app in Google Store or Apple Store, you simply come to the search bar and search for Grok, spelled Grok. Then you search. So after you search, make sure you see an app like this and you click install. So once you install, you open to set your account. Let's move to the next AI. The next AI tool is DeepSeek AI Assistant. DeepSeek AI Assistant is a powerful open source based AI tool for DeepSeek focused on fast, accurate responses for technical and creative tasks, and it's ideal for students in STEM or writing heavy fields. It can search for informative content where it provides detailed breakdowns of concepts with examples and analogies to make taught material easy to grasp. It can also help in solving complex questions, debugging codes, or explaining theories with precisions across disciplines. It can also help generate drafts, edit for style, and ensure logic flow while helping with citations and avoiding plagiarism during essay writing. You can also use this for your research work and your project works as well, because it will support you with in-depth analysis such as coding, scientific research, and step-by-step methodologies. The major benefit of Grok AI is that it's also completely free with high-speed responses. It excels in multilingual support and technical accuracy, and it boosts efficiency for research-intensive tasks, leading to deeper insights and time savings for better academic balance. In Google Play Store or Apple Store, simply search for DeepSeek. Now, the DeepSeek is together, so you have to search for DeepSeek, spelled DeepSeek. And for it, you make sure that you see an app that has a blue whale on it to install. Now that's all for today on the top 3 AI tools you didn't know could do magic for you. Let me know in the comment section the AI tool you have used before and what exactly it can do. Thank you for watching till the end of this video. Make sure that you subscribe. See you in the next video.